Hello guys, so you're welcome back to today mathematics class. For this incoming like GCE examination, another GCE examination. So guys, if this is the first time watching the video, try to subscribe, like, turn the button, very short. We are playing like this. You definitely be the first one to find, and also share this video to find. We are watching our for Facebook, maybe our other social media, on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Try to click the follow button and like this video. And what's very important, share this video with your friends. God bless you guys and share this video. So let's quickly solve this problem we have here. The mathematics question repeated from the first question, okay, previous like just the examination. So I found this question and I love to say this question here. Though we have started our master class. So if you like to join us, let us know. Let me know in the comment section so we can have it to be good with just a daily task. I'll give you daily tasks. We attend the class. How do we attend this class? If not to attend the class, maybe you want to learn mathematics on a daily basis, either from secondary school to the to SS3, and then you exam candidates. You want to learn mathematics every single day, you just need to be consistent if you want to master mathematics. And if you want to join our class, our daily class, it consists of 3 parts. You attend a class, you'll be given a class work and you'll be given assignments every day. And at this moment I'm doing this video now, it is going for promo price because we want people to learn. Okay, see you at promo price for just 200 naira for a day. Yeah, you can join our VIP class. So if you like the way I teach, you like to join our VIP class, we have discussed this topic is on algorithm together with indices. With my VIP class, we have treated the question under this topic. There are a lot of questions that we have treated for this upcoming WAEC GCE examination. In fact, we have started our JAM examination, our JAM class also. We have started it. So if you like to join us, you can also join us there. So let's simplify this question. Simplify log of base 10, okay, 125 over 8 minus 2 log base 10, 5 over 4. We have the options here. Now, how do we solve the question if we give this question at the first place? So let's look at the solution of this problem. Now, in this thing, I'm trying to count your mind. I always say that whenever you give me a question, whenever I give me a question in exam, first of all is to identify the topic of the question. That will help you a lot because every topic in mathematics has their rules and regulations, are the step by step to solve it. Now, this question, the topic of this question is already exposed because we have log means that under logarithm. Now, since you remember the topic, remember the rules of logarithm that I can give for this kind of expression. So if you look at this expression, on the first part here, log base 10, 125 over 8 minus, you have 2 log base 10, 5 over 4. Now, let's simplify this question and let's make it very easy for us to solve. So in this place, that if we look at this pattern, just remember law of logarithm that state that when you have a log of base 10, okay, let me say log of base 10, base 10 of a, okay, and also base power of 2 or base power of n. Let me use n. Base power of n. So when you have this expression, this law of logarithm that look like this expression here, the solution to this problem, it means that this n recurs to the other side there. Okay, this can be multiplied by the logarithm of the base 10. So the solution to this problem is to be what? And this n will come to the other part here. We have a log of 10 of a, log of base 10 a. So we have a solution. If you have a expression like this of log of base 10 of a, the answer is equal to this. And when you have an expression like this, according to the law of logarithm, the solution is this. So if we compare this, what we have here, with this part we have here, it means that they are the same. We have n, this is represented as 2 here, log base 10, we have the log base 10 there. So 5 over 4 is the same thing of this a. I hope you get that steps. So it simply means that when you have this problem like this, the solution to this is equal to this, according to the law of logarithm. That is why it's very important to identify topic based on the question based on the topic, so you can understand the content and the rules that guide these topics. Now, let's pick this up into it. Since we have said that this one is going to be this, so to simplify, let me take this part outside first. we have our 2 log out of log base 10. Okay, we have 5 over 4. So everything 5 over 4, everything into brackets. Now, with what I have here, this one can be interpreted as this. That means that these two will come into, will be a power of 5 over 4. So this brings me to have our answer of this problem. We have to this place, which will be log of what? Of base 10. Okay, that is 5 over 4. Everything is with power of 4 of these two. These two will come to this place. If we have 2 here, the 2 comes to the as the power of this type over 4. So here we have 2. So it means that this whole close bracket it will raise power of what? Of 2. Now let's solve this. The same thing is power of 2. It means that this 5 share this 2 and this 4 also will share this 2. And when you have a mathematical expression like this, it means that something is equal of 2 is power of anybody. It means that the fraction, this 5 is raised power of 2 and this 4 is raised power, so they both share this power of this 2. Now when you have it like this, we have a log of base 10. Okay, we have a 5 base power of this 2 when you put the brackets, 5 base power of 2 divided by is 4 base power of 2. Now what is the next to do now? If you have something like this, we have a log of base 10. This of 5 base power of 2, it means that 5 and multiply itself in 2 places. So 5 base power of 2, that's equal to what? 25, okay, divided by 4 base power of 2, that's equal to 16. So we have our 16 line. So it means that the solution to this second part here, to make it more easy, it is equal to 25 over 16. Now, let's bring it back to the full expression like this. Let me write this part and this part together. And in this part, we have got a log of base 10, 25 divided by 16. Are you following? So let me know in the comment section if you are following the class. Okay, can we proceed? Okay, let's go. So the next thing you have to do here now, is to let's put this one into the expression according to the question we have been given. So we have a log of what? Log of base 10, okay? We have open bracket 125 divided by 8, close brackets, minus. So this part now is equal to this, that's equal to log of what? Of base 10, 25 divided by 16. So if you look at this place known of this place, they are almost the same. So now this next to consider when talking about logarithm of which we have to remember the law of logarithm that says that if you have log of, okay, let me have log of base a of b minus, we have log of, okay, let me put this as log of base a also of c. So this expression can give us, since they have the same log of the same base, log of base a, log of base a, so and here we also separate this is minus. This expression can be written according to the law of logarithm. This expression can be, the solution to this expression is equal to, we take the one that has the both sides there, that log of base a is common to this part and also common to both sides, to this part. So that means that we have a log of base a first and open bracket because it's common to both sides. Now it will be this division is means this minus will change to division. Okay, the minus here according to the law of logarithm will change to division. That means that b will be divided by c. So therefore we have equal to b divided by c. So that is the answer to this problem. And now just remember the law of logarithm that gives this expression. This is called division, or this is called division of logarithm. That's sometimes that classified as the subtraction of logarithm. So depending on the test, someone the same thing. So here I have a log of the same base, log of a base b minus log of a base c. Since they have the same base, they also you take the one of the base, and this b, because of the minus here, we change to division. That's b divided by what? By c. So that is how we have this expression. That is according to the law of logarithm. Now, what we just have to do here, that's what we need to simplify in this part. So let me try to create more space so we can see more about it. Let me try to create more space. Now the next thing you have to do here is that let's put this one into the solution we have according to the expression we have in logarithm. So this one simply means we have our log of base 10, because log of base 10 is common to this part, it's also common to this pattern, so that everything I put it in the brackets. Now here we have 125 for the first equation over 8 this division, this one minus will change to division. I'm using a division like this, divided by 225, okay, raised to the power of 16. So let me put the bracket. This one is 16, okay, we have 16, so I'm close the brackets. Now what you just have to do here now is to remember, when you have two parts, when you have this expression in mathematics, okay, the first part is in fraction and the second part is in fraction, and they're separated by division. What just have to what you just have to happen in that moment is that this division here you have to change to multiplication. Let me explain this out. According to the mathematics, when you have a over b, okay, a over b divided by, when you have c over d, okay, then we have something like that in mathematics. This is in form of fraction, divided by c over d is also a form of fraction. The answer to this problem, when you have this expression like this, the answer is equal to this division here, you have to change to multiplication. And when division changes to multiplication, the second part here, it will be inverse or reciprocal of this second part. I hope you are getting this thing right. Okay, so this one is equal to, that is a over b multiplied by the reciprocal of this part, that's equal to d over c. So that simply means that whenever I have an expression like this in mathematics, the solution to this problem is equal to this. And also, when you have an expression like this in mathematics, the solution to this problem is equal to this. That is how it's being expressed in mathematics. How you guys are getting this expression? Now, that is what we should do here. So in this place now, we have the law of logarithm, which is common to both sides. We have the law of the log base 10. And we have opened the brackets. Now, the first one here, that is 125. This one remain constant, over 8. Multiply. The division on have changed to multiplication. Now, when you change to multiplication, now the inverse of this part, that's equal to, we have 16 over, that is 16 over 25. And then we have the bracket. So let me try to share this one out. This is not the part of it, so don't be get confused. This part that is the expression we have at time, it's not a part of it. So let me bring back my pen. So the next thing you have to do here, okay, let me press space. I think there's not much space again. So the next thing you have to do here is that, let's do the normal mathematics have to do here. No, here 25 here. Cancel, we have 1, 25 here. That is equal to what? 5. That is equal to 5. Now we make what here you have 18 here. And here we have 8 again. So we can simplify by 5 times 16. This you can also divide this, but let me just put it in this way. That is 5 times 16. That's equal to 80. So it means that we have a log of base 10. Okay, log of base 10, open brackets, then put in the brackets. Here is equal to 5 times 16. That's we have what? 80 divided by. Here we miss 1, so 8 times 1. That is what? 8. So then we close the bracket. Now, what's the next thing you have to do here? So if you have to, if 66, we can, and this 81 is divided by 80, we have in 10. So therefore, we have the follow. The answer to this problem is equal to log of base 10 of 10. Now, the question is, do you have this option in the? Do you have this option in our option above? Let's say the question. The answer we get is log of base 10 of 10. So let's go. Maybe we have it there. No, we don't have the option. We have 125, 16, 10, 4, and 1 rather. Now, this thing still have solution. Let me call you back. This thing still have the solution. Let me explain it. According to the law of logarithm, when you have log of a number, log of base of a number, okay, log of base a of a. So the base and the number are the same. The solution is equal to 1. The answer is equal to 1. This is called unity law of logarithm. It means that when you have log of the same base, log of a number that has the same base of that number is equal to unity, is equal to 1. It may be of log, okay, log of b of b, log of base b of b is equal to 1. It will be a log of anything that has the same base and has the same number. The number and the base are the same, is equal to 1. If you look at this one also, log of base 10 of 10, the answer is equal to 1. So that simply means the solution to this problem is equal to 1. So we have 1 as the solution to this problem. See what we have resolved this morning, we get as 1. That is very interesting, right? That is mathematics for that. Okay, now if you look at the options, and don't be surprising that the option we have at this point is option E. So that is solution to this question. I hope you guys enjoyed the class. So if you enjoyed the class, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to share this video with a friend